What's up, guys? This is a unboxing slash review of the Centurion PC case Micro-ATX. It's just going to be brief. So, first of all, this is a Micro-ATX case, as I said. It's got one, two, and possibly maybe one if you drill down here. It's 80mm fans. And it's got a standard ATX power supply, and this is a dirt cheap case. It's so cheap, it was £15, so I don't really expect much from it, but for a 13-year-old girl's case that she will never ever take apart or use or see even, this will be perfect. So what we have is this is the case. It comes with all of the screws, standoffs, and the buzzer. On the front, it doesn't look the best, but it does the job. It's got a power button, it's got two USB 2.0 ports, it's got a headphones port and a microphone port. It's also got a restart button right there. Yeah, focus won't work. So we've got a DVD drive as well. It doesn't come with it, but I'm ordering one for it. And you can also fit a floppy disk drive in there, I believe. In there. I'm not going to take this front off because it's for her birthday, which is in November. But yeah, I'll put a link to a picture of it. You can get a pretty good idea here, though. See my computer reflection. This gloss on the front. But anyway, in the inside it has the power switch. It has all of the connections for the motherboard, and it's quite neatly held up together. As you can see, it's all glued together. It also has the USB connections linked up in one. Goes two and goes into one, and we have the audio and microphone, which is also all in one. You've either got the HD audio, which is upside down, but it's there, camera won't focus, and we have the AC97 right here, also won't focus. So that's the review for this. As you can see, it's quite flimsy, but for £15, what do you expect? It looks like a good case, good for the price. So thanks for watching, and I'll be doing more of these with all the parts from my sister's computer.